does this go?
In this pile.
Yes, very good. That's a onesie. Oh, this is a hat.
This is a one.
This is a nice hat.
Look at, see, this is a one.
That's a onesie?
Yeah.
Can you show me where the pants are?
Pants are, the older pants.
Those are the pants. What about the shirt? Can you show me a shirt? Or the socks? Show me the socks.
I put the sock. Baby wants, he wants some blue socks.
Blue socks? Whoa, those are nice.
But I need the corner.
In the corner. So can I wear them?
Nope.
Can I wear one for the party?
No.
Why not?
Because these too small for you.
It's too small for me. How about you? Are you going to wear them?
Nope.
No?
No. These will be what
What's Paper Brother's name?
a little camera.
The camera? I want to look at you.
No, look at the camera.
Who's holding the camera?
My mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, mama.
Hi, Kojo. What's going on?
And play with what?
Wonderful. Thank you for being so organized.